Just showing what is in this video is about what is inside the box. So if you take out the cover, the first will contain the quick start guide, then some thank you card, and then this is the speaker, which will go in the back of the power socket, and then this is the tools, some of the tools required to install it, and this is the main camera and the doorbell. Nothing else, nothing. Let's look pretty solid. And it's telling what to remove it before use so that it may contain the battery inside.
Alright, so this is the video doorbell, and it has been installed, and we went ahead and paired it with the chime right here, and we're going to ring the doorbell.